All right, welcome back to another episode of Content 101. My name is B-Star. I'm an artist, content creator, digital nomad, and today I want to talk to you guys about making more money online, specifically making more money on YouTube. Over the last several months, I've been working this strategy, and I think that I've gotten it down to a point now where I'm really happy with it, and I think that it generates very good results for people that make YouTube content. So we're going to dive into my laptop today. I'm going to show you guys my strategy for making more money with your YouTube videos online. Okay, so the video that we're going to be looking at in particular today is the video that me and my daughter did at the LA Auto Show. My daughter has her own YouTube series called Science with Violet, and we took a trip over to the LA Auto Show because I wanted to test this theory out with keywords that I knew were higher ranking and higher paying. So when I say keywords, let's get into what I'm talking about. We're going to take it over to the Google Keyword Planner. Now, this is a free part of Google Ads that allows you to search keywords by competition, search volume, what they pay. So any keyword related to your topic, you can type in here. So I typed in cars. Let's just do cars to start. Can't spell today. And let's do auto show, and let's see what it comes up with. Let's click get results and see what we get. So it even comes up here and populates with some other possible search terms that you can use to broaden your search. So you have your columns here at the top. Your keyword by relevance, the average monthly searches. So like I said, you can sort these results by volume of what is getting searched the most or what is getting searched the least. Then here in this tab, you have competition. So the way you want to balance this out is that you want to find keywords that have a good amount of monthly search volume, but the competition is not too high. If you can find something with a high average monthly search volume and low competition, oh, you're doing good. So actually, auto shows are actually decent. The problem is the top page bid on the low and high range is 29 cents to 9 cents. So something like more general, just like cars, on the higher end pays $3.90 on the top range. And then it says here, top range of page bid. In the high range, it shows the higher range of what advertisers have historically paid for a keyword. Okay? So you want to create a balance in between all these columns. You want to get a good keyword that is relevant to your video. Remember that. That's super important. The keywords need to be relevant to what's actually going on in your video. Don't just come on here and try to find the highest paying keyword and throw them on your video about cats when the keyword is about real estate and you're showing them your Persian cat. It's like, no. That's not relevant. So you need to find keywords that are relevant to your video that you're making with a good amount of monthly searches, but not too much competition. Because if you jump into a keyword with a lot of competition, you're going to get drowned out. You want to find something that has lower competition, medium competition, but the high competition ones, generally you want to stay away from unless you have more search power. If you're Mr. Beast, you can do whatever keywords you want. But when you're starting, this is a good way to get in and find, oh, people are searching for auto shows, but there's low competition for it. So I can create a channel all about auto shows. But like I said, when you're looking at what you're making, when you're looking at what the pay is for this type of thing, it's not as high. And let's keep going through it. So, here's something here. Mazda CX-5. So during the auto show, I was aligning with these higher paying keywords. Let me look up here. I'm sorry. I was aligning with these higher paying keywords and making sure that we stopped by the Mazda station at the LA Auto Show. You see what I'm saying here? We're purposely jumping in front of these bullets, these traffic bullets. We're purposely jumping in front of them because we want to get picked up on this wave of searches. So, unfortunately, Mazda CX-5 has a higher, volume of competition. But here, look at this. Whoa, look at this. Look at this. For all my car enthusiasts out there. Scrap my car. Medium search competition. You got 1,000 to 10,000 people a month looking for information on how to scrap my car. That's just a junk car that they want to get rid of. Selling it to a junker, a car scrapper. Wow, this is big. Scrap my car. 1 to 10,000 monthly searches. Medium competition. So you can actually get in this and get some traffic. On the high end, people are willing to pay. Hold on, let me bring myself back up. You need to see my eyes for this. $12. Almost $13. You need to start a car scrapping. If you are a mechanic out there that buys junk cars, you need a YouTube channel. Look, you could be making some good money on YouTube talking about scrapping cars. I'm telling you guys, this has been my strategy and it has been working amazingly for me. The LA Auto Show video has almost generated $800. I mean, just using this strategy. We're keyword surfing. We're keyword surfing. You know, I see that Jeep pays well, so we're going to the Jeep booth. You know, I understand that some of these keywords are a little bit more high competition. So since I know that I'm making a video about a car show in total, I'm trying to hit as many of these keywords as possible. We're just keyword surfing. Keyword surfing to the money. And that has been my strategy to make more money online. I'm going to go ahead and cut it short here. I want you guys to dive in. I'll leave some links below to the Google Keyword Planner and other things that I think could be helpful. But I'm saying just use Google Keyword Planner because it's free. There are other tools out there like SEMrush and stuff like that that cost you to get the same information that Google is giving you for free. So use the Google Keyword Planner and keyword surf your way to some money. You understand that? My name is B-Star. Once again, man, thank you guys so much for tuning into Content 101. Get out there and make some money, man. It's the age of the digital nomad. Get out there and change your life. That's what this information is for. Thank you guys so much. Until next time, peace.